vlog is Life by Laura, which the link is below. I'm currently in bed, which is why I have no makeup on and look awful. So this is my first vlog. Basically, I'm having an operation tomorrow, which if you've read my blog you'll know is on my ankle. I've got to be there at 7:15 in the morning, which is not good for me. I'm not a morning person. But yeah, I'm hoping that I'll be able to do some filming in the hospital and you'll be able to come with me on my journey through my operation. So yeah, keep watching. So the operation is done. I'm now laying around being monitored for 2 hours, just watching Come Dine with me and waiting for my mum to come pick me up. All went well. Apparently I had like a 3 centimetre split in my tendon, which they repaired, but he also found that my muscle in my leg was too long and too thick because I'd built it up too much at the gym. So he had to shave my muscle down, which sounds a bit gross. But yeah, let me try to show you my leg. Sexy. So yeah. So I'm back at home now. This is actually the next day, Tuesday, because I just couldn't do anything yesterday. This is my setup. Apples, laptop, foot, TV. It's a little bit achy, but I haven't taken in painkillers yet because I'm just going to try and get through without having to take painkillers. The only thing I really do have to do is every day I have to inject myself with blood thinners, which sounds horrendous and is. I'm not really one for needles, so the nurse actually made me do one in front of her before she would let me leave, and it wasn't fun. But I'm hoping having to do 14 of them, not all in one day, over 2 weeks, I will get used to it. Oh my god, what's this? So yeah, we'll see. My nurse has just come in to look after me. Say hello, Lola. Hello. She's literally the worst nurse ever. She's not interested at all. Lola. Okay, so it's probably 2, maybe 3 hours since I filmed my last piece and it's starting to hurt now. Still haven't taken any painkillers, but I may have to admit defeat soon and take some because ow.